Hello guys, and I'm going to be showing you how to make some some slime kind of stuff. All you really need is not baking soda, some flour and water. You need like 1 cup of water and a half a cup of flour, but you need more water than flour. Period. If you don't have more water than flour, you ain't gonna be able to do nothing. So yeah, but last thing I need to tell you is, if I could be able to do this, but my mom ain't gonna let me. But if I could be able to do this, I would. So yeah, but yeah, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon, and like this video for more. And I hope it can get like 5,000 likes on this video. And y'all been very good helping me on these last videos. I had so many views on all these videos, and I thank you for that. So yeah, thank you very much, guys. Bye.